In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a cloud hosting plan on Bluehost. Whether you're launching a new project or expanding an existing one, choosing the right hosting plan is a crucial first step. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process of selecting and purchasing a cloud hosting plan, providing detailed insights to ensure your setup is seamless and efficient. To begin, head over to the Bluehost cloud hosting page. Here, you'll find several plan options tailored to different needs: Cloud 1, Cloud 10, Cloud 25, and Cloud 50. Each plan offers varying levels of performance and storage, so it's important to assess what specifications best align with your website's requirements. If you're just starting, a basic plan like Cloud 1 might be perfectly adequate. However, if you anticipate higher traffic or require more resources, consider the more robust options like Cloud 25 or Cloud 50. Take your time to review the features and benefits of each plan so you can make an informed decision that will serve your website well in the long term. After selecting the plan that best suits your needs, the next step is to proceed with the checkout process. Click on the chosen plan, and you'll be prompted to select a domain for your hosting. You'll have the option to use a new domain or one that you already own. If you're opting for a new domain, consider names that are memorable, easy to spell, and clearly represent your brand or business niche. If you're using an existing domain, you'll simply input it into the designated field. Once your domain is set, move on to completing the payment to finalize your purchase. Follow the on-screen instructions, entering your payment details carefully to avoid any hiccups. It's good practice to double-check all entered information to ensure accuracy and prevent any future issues. Remember, purchasing a hosting plan not only secures your spot on the web, but also offers features that can enhance your website's performance and reliability. Upon completing your purchase, you'll receive a confirmation email from Bluehost with all the details of your new hosting plan. This email usually contains important information, such as your login credentials and instructions for accessing your account. It's a good idea to save this email for future reference and safekeeping. Setting up a hosting plan is just the beginning of your website journey. The choices you make at this stage can significantly influence the speed, reliability, and growth of your online presence. Moreover, Bluehost's cloud hosting offers scalability and flexibility, allowing you to upgrade your plan seamlessly as your website grows. This ensures that your hosting can keep up with your expanding needs without causing disruptions to your service. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to setting up a reliable and efficient cloud hosting plan with Bluehost. Get ready to take the next steps in building your website and reaching a wider audience online. Thank you for watching, and happy hosting.